Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday and welcome to First Look Friday. Today is actually going to be a YouTube premiere video, which means I am watching this video right along with you and I am available to chat and hang out with you guys while you're watching this video. This video is a haul video, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What I will say is the items in here, there are some things that are no longer available, so I'm really sorry about that. But this is why I like to do my announcement videos before my goodies actually come in for those limited time only products, because by the time I get them, sometimes a lot of things are sold out. So I've got a little box here, but oh boy, she's a heavy one. So let's go ahead and dive right in and see what we have here. Oh, I'm so excited for so many things. Oh. Okay, so per usual, Scentsy's packaging is amazing. We have our Mother's Day special, limited time only, Pina Colada Cha-Cha Scentsy Soak. I believe this is one of the things that has sold out, you guys. I'm really sorry. This is why I tell you, no. Pina Colada Cha-Cha is still available. As of right now, when I am recording this is still currently available. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. This is an amazing 2-pound bag of moisturizing Scentsy soak that you can enjoy, and it smells like pina colada. Does it really get any better than that? Especially around these days when you're like, I would give anything to just be on a beach right now. Pour some Scentsy soak into your bathtub, close your eyes, and just make the world go away. So I plan on doing that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. And Pina Colada Cha-Cha, for those of you who are not aware of what that smells like, it smells just like a pina colada. You got coconut, you've got pineapple. It seriously smells exactly like the drink. And there's no boozy note or anything to it. It's just tropical paradise. Oh, it's so good. All right, we also have 2 of the purple 25-watt bulbs. This did sell out. You guys, this sold out faster than the Cinderella warmer. What's up with that? This sold out super, super fast. What I will say though, they are restocking the purple bulbs, but not until the fall and winter season. So purple bulbs will be back, but not until the fall and winter. So just hang tight, be patient for more purple bulbs. All right, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so part of one of the Mother's Day bundles that is still currently available is actually the Star Wall Fan Diffuser. One of these is for my mama, so I'll open up one, but the other one I'll keep shut. And so I love our packaging per usual, but on the inside, I always love that they have a quote as well as our mission statement as well here. So this one is by Heidi. Life is about moments. Don't wait for them, create them. XO Heidi. I love that. And then we have our wall fan diffuser. So this is in the star pattern. I already have this one and I really, really like it. These wall fan diffusers are amazing, especially if you have little ones around the house. These are not breaking. These are plastic. They don't screw on, they just secure on just like that. It's absolutely fabulous. They don't glow. So if you are sensitive to light, this is perfect. So the only thing that glows is just this little power button here. That way you know when it's on and when it's off. You can kind of hear the soft humming of the fan that's in here. So yeah, you've got that. But also, if you are someone who you love the home fragrance, but you don't like the idea of liquefied wax, maybe around curious fingers, around curious tails maybe, or maybe you're like myself and you're just clumsy, and if you have lower outlets, if you're walking by and maybe you knock it over, you have a waxident and that's no good. So these actually take our Scentsy pods. So our Scentsy pods are these beautiful little casings here that have fragranced beads inside. And so you'll pop them in here. You can do 1 pod at a time. You can do 2 pods at a time if you want to. Stick it in. It's amazing. If you want a whole video on that, I will link that down below. I absolutely love this system. It's fabulous. So that particular bundle is still currently available where you get this Wall Fan Diffuser along with the limited time only scent picked for you in the pod pack. You guys, I have not smelled this scent. Well, in the teeny tiny tester I did and I liked it, but I need to stick my nose in a bar or a scent or a pod pack. What should I do first? Should I do the bar or the pod pack? They're gonna smell the same, but I wanna do wax. Okay, so this one's, so picked for you. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. It's such a soft, it's a soft floral with a little bit of sweetness to it. Is that like lemons and berries almost with a little bit of a floral? Oh, it's so nice. Oh, this is so nice. It smells like it's going to be maybe a little bit lighter, but I feel like that's going to be okay. Oh, it smells so good. Let me tell you what Scentsy says about this here. So the description is luscious lychee blossom and honeydew melon waltz with white amber. So the honeydew melon is giving it that sweetness, but I still get like a sugared, like lemons and berries almost, along with like a little bit of a floral finish. Oh, this is so nice. I love this. That's picked for you. It's going to my club, you guys. This is really, really good. Ugh, I'm in so much trouble. And then obviously this comes, so this bundle here comes with the Wall Fan Diffuser. Sorry, I thought Zoe was coming up here. Comes with the Wall Fan Diffuser along with the pod pack. Let me just make sure. I think this is still available. Yes, this is still available for $30. So that's fabulous. Love that. Perfect gift for Mother's Day, right? So I've got 2 pod packs. Got those bundles here. And then I grabbed 3 of these bars because I knew I was gonna love it. I was like, I wasn't sure if it was gonna be club worthy just yet, but it's club worthy. Oh, it's so nice. That's a beautiful spring summer fragrance for sure. All right, and then we have, oh, this is what I feel bad about. I feel bad talking about this, but sorry guys. Which one is this one? That's another pina colada. Oh. Here we go. So we have the bundle, the driftwood, the coconut driftwood body bundle. This is no longer available. I'm really sorry guys. This one sold out really super fast. I want to know what this smells like. This was actually, I found out that this was actually inspired after the, back when we had our body products just numbered. They weren't labeled by name, they were just numbered. This was number, I think, 16. And it's one of Heidi's favorites, so it's gotta be good. So this came with the hand cream, the body wash, and the brand new sugar scrub in coconut driftwood. So I wanna break open this sugar scrub. I wanna see it. And I wanna smell it, of course, too. See, you can just pamper yourself while you're stuck at home. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that smells really good. So this is, so the sugar scrub, it's very like liquidy. So it's not super, super thick. Which is going to be really nice. It's going to be a nice, very gentle exfoliant. That's nice. So if you have sensitive skin, you should be okay. It's very, very gentle. Oh, man. Yeah, that's super gentle. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Now I want to put on the hand cream. Sorry while you guys just watch me put on my body products. But yeah, oh, the hand cream. I'm not a huge fan of our lotions or our soaps, to be totally honest. That's just me personally. But our hand creams and our body creams, I love the consistency of it. And I love that it absorbs right into the skin. It's not sticky. It's not greasy in any kind of way. I love the consistency of the hand creams. It's fabulous. I don't love the lotion, like the regular like lotion, and I don't love the hand soap, but that's just me personally. So that came with the sugar scrub as well. And I got that same bundle for my mama as well. So same bundle for my mom. She's gonna be hooked up for Mother's Day. And then I also grabbed 2 of the Pina Colada Cha-Cha bundles. This one sold out too. Yeah, the spa bundle, and both spa bundles are totally sold out. Sorry guys. So that came once again with the sugar scrub, the body wash and Pina Colada Cha-Cha, and the hand cream and Pina Colada Cha-Cha. So I've got that. One other. Yeah, so two of those. Oh my gosh. That's why it was little, but it was heavy, because all of these products, they're not huge, but they're solid. So as of right now, a lot of this has sold out, but if you are still looking for some Mother's Day gifts, definitely go onto my website, go onto your consultant's website, check it out. Right now, I will name off what is available. So the Coconut Driftwood Scentsy Soak, I decided I didn't want to get both bags. I decided to just go with the Pina Colada Cha-Cha. So this one is still currently available, but the Coconut Driftwood Scentsy Soak, that one is sold out. The Coconut Driftwood Sugar Scrub for $12. Just the sugar scrub alone is available. It's not available in the bundle, but this is available by itself for 12 bucks. So you can like put together a little bag for your mom or for somebody that you love, or for yourself if you want to. The Picked For You bundle with the wall fan diffuser and the Picked For You pods are available for $30. The Picked For You Scentsy bars are available, obviously, $6 each. Or don't forget, you guys, don't forget to bundle and save. Go to my website, go to your consultant's website, go to the specials tab and go to bundle and save. You can either bundle these 3 bars for 17 bucks, or you can do the best deal is 6 bars for 30. Essentially, it's buy 5, get the 6 for free, and you can mix and match. You can do some of this brand new fragrance Picked For You, and you can mix it with some of your other favorites as well and get the best possible deal. And then the Pina Colada Cha-Cha Scentsy Soak is available for 12 bucks, as well as the Pina Colada Sugar Scrub. This is available for 12 bucks as well. So you can definitely piece together some great gifts. Like I said, for yourself, for a woman that you love, whoever. If you need some kind of an excuse, maybe it's somebody's birthday. I don't know. My birthday was this week, so that's why I'm treating myself. So there you have it. That is another haul for this month. I've got a few more things coming in, so definitely stay tuned for what is to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Happy Friday.